the first country you arrive in the European Union is going to really define how you judge everywhere you go. It's funny how you start judging the things and just comparing them with what you have here in the Netherlands. I am Oscar Villamil, I'm Colombian. I work in IHC, in the mining department, as a design and cost engineer. I studied mechanical engineering in Colombia, and I came to the Netherlands to study process and energy technologies. I got a scholarship from TU Delft, and that's why I ended up here. I studied mechanical engineering because I think mechanical is present in almost every single industry. So I wanted to have a career that gives me the chance to move from one industry to another, and that's what I've done so far. I'm really happy that I spent my childhood and my teenager time in Colombia. It's a really nice place to be. You have all the weathers that you want, all the food, the people, everything goes so spontaneous. Then after a while, I wanted to see how was the world, how was abroad, how was to have experience in a different country, work in a different language. I ended up in the Netherlands because I wanted to be in a top 10 university. I applied to TU Delft. I got a scholarship from them. Quit my life in Colombia because the offer was really, really nice to come here. And I fell in love with the country. I felt identified how things work here. And I decided to go one step farther and look for a job. I came in contact with Middel via LinkedIn. They approached me when I was living in the States. They came and offered me a really interesting position. I was open to hear in that moment. I was really looking for a change. I wanted to do something different. And they came with a really interesting proposition for the company where I'm working right now. I came back to the Netherlands, we got some interviews, they gave me more insight about what was it about, and I decided to change my career to start doing what I'm doing now. I think what made Middel special was the fact that they really cared for you as a person. They took the time to explain the law, to explain the contract, to explain what you were signing. So they keep in mind that you don't belong here, that you are not from this country, that a lot of things are new, and they guide you step by step, and they're really willing to help you every time you have a question. If something was not clear for me, I just called them, we met, and they made me feel safe and comfortable by doing that, by taking that decision to quit my old company. And they're always there, willing to give you an answer in the right moment. I like being here. So far I've made a lot of friends in the Netherlands, so in the future I see myself for a long time. Professionally, I think it's a good place to be, with a lot of options. Despite the size of the country, the amount of opportunities for business and industry development are really huge. So I still discovering new things and getting to know more all the possibilities, and I see myself here for a while.